In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for Google Drive, free with no expiration, fixed today. Here, let's begin. Start by going to the Google Drive website and make sure you're already logged in. Once you're inside your Drive, right-click on the specific file or folder you want to share. From the menu, select Share, then click Share again from the submenu. In the Sharing Settings window, go to General Access, click the drop-down and change it from Restricted to Anyone with the Link so others can access your file. After that, click the Copy Link button, then click Done. Now, if you want a free QR code generator with no expiration and no login required, open a new tab and navigate to a Shopify QR code generator website. This site offers a free QR code generator even if you're not using Shopify. I'll also put the link in the description and comments so you can copy it easily. Once you're on the site, select website URL as the option. Then paste your Google Drive link into the text field. Next, you'll see a field that says email code 2. If you have a Shopify account, you can enter your Shopify email and the QR code will be sent there. If you don't have one, you can simply enter any email address and click Send QR Code to continue. After that, click the Download Now button. Your QR code will appear. Then just right-click on the QR code image and click Save As. Choose the folder where you want to store it, then save the file. Once done, you can open the QR code image anytime and share it wherever you like, whether it's for printing, presentations, or sending digitally. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.